Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the other episode of my RX-7 build. And do you guys remember last time I made a video and complained about the DHL and how bad the service was when they delivered my last package of the parcel? So they left my parcel on the ground and left. So after 6 hours I found my parcel, and luckily it didn't stolen. And this time, so after I called the DHL and emailed, I think they really listened. And this time, so the delivery guy, so he's quite responsible, and he actually called me, and only take 2 days to arrive. So that's good. That's a good sign. So what do you guys think this is? Yeah, by looking on it, today I'm gonna basically an unboxing video of what I have. Let's check it out. Yeah, so some of you guys probably know already. So this is a bright seat rail for low max seats. So for RX-7 FD, I'm gonna put this in the. Let's have a look. This is for the seatbelt. Bright Japan. This is a warranty card. Looks pretty nice. Bright Super Seat Rail produced by Bright Japan, made in Japan. And let's put somewhere safe, so I don't want to put any scratches. Yep. So this seat rail is for the full bucket seats. And, so these two are the side panel. Probably just leave inside. And the side panel for the other one. Yeah. So let's have a quick look. Yeah, unfortunately today I cannot do anything, so still waiting for the seat. So both seats coming out, but I heard my one is a factory 4-seater. You can see the back. So there's a OEM back seats, but apparently it's useless. But local modification certifier, so he said if you want to use a full bucket seat, so you have to remove the rear seat belt. So what I'm going to do, I'm trying to discuss with the certifier, see if I can keep the back panel and probably just remove the seat belt, see if it's gonna work, because I'm not planning to let any passenger on the back seat, so it's nearly impossible to see in on the back. Yeah, so today only just leave everything here, so next time when the seat arrives, it's definitely so it's definitely another big job to put the seat on. Oh shit, it's my carbon fiber. It's not God. Yeah. As you can see, if I can still keep this part, so that would be better. And for the seats, so if they really want me to remove that, that's okay. Now let's have a look and see what's the side panel looks like on the right seat rail. So this one what we need to do is to mount the side panel on the rail. So we have a couple of holes. It should be this two and back one. Probably this two. Yep. So you need to use 2 bolts here and another 2 here. And on the side you can see there are also a couple of holes. So it's designed for you to change the height of the seat and also the angle. So you can decide if you want to sit lower or slightly higher. Just depends on your height. So that's actually a pretty good design. And there's another big hole. I think this one's for the seat belt. Yep, the seat belt buckle. But I'm not sure if I can still use the I'm not sure if I can still use the OEM seat belt. I'm not sure if it's long enough. Maybe alright, but let's figure out later. And you guys probably wondering what model of the bright seat I'm gonna use. How about this? You guys leave a comment below and see if we can guess the answer. You see on the RX-7 FD actually is pretty comfortable, and it's a pretty comfortable design and also looks not bad. The reason why I want to change is very similar to many of you guys. So why we want to modify our cars. So I'm not very sure, but I just want to do it. And why using the bright? So the main reason is, of course, they look good, and actually in the factory RX-7 FD. So if you still keeping the interior like the door cards, the factory door cards, so there are actually not too many selections on the seats. There's probably only around 3 to 4 seats to choose from, and most of them are from Bride. Yeah, why not? Alright guys, thanks for watching today. So hope you guys enjoyed the day, and check some of my other videos. So I made a playlist, and I put actually I only did 4 episodes right now, but you can check my playlist and see other videos. So if you guys like the video, and please try to subscribe my channel and help me grow a little bit. So I'll be really appreciated, and also hope you guys can find your passion about cars or whatever you're doing right now in your life. Alright guys, that's pretty much everything today, and so enjoy the rest of the day and stay tuned. See you next time. By the way, I think I probably need to cut my mustache right now. It's too long. Alright, bye.